Class 3 English. The name of the lesson, A List by Arnold Lobel. About the author, Arnold Lobel was born on 1993. He wrote many books. In fact, even as a child, he loved checking books out from library. He often used to tell stories and then illustrate them to entertain his classmates when he was a young boy. Several of his works, such as Coleridge and Newbery Honors, have won literary awards. Let's move on to the story. Children, I am Sudarshana, your English teacher. Today, I am going to take the second lesson from your English textbook. The name of the lesson is A List. This is a story. The characters are frog and a toad. Toad is just like the frog, but in size it is smaller than the frog. Its legs are a little bit shorter than the frog. That's the slight difference. So the frog and the toad are the characters. The toad is a systematic person, very systematic, and he makes always a list of things to do. And the heading which he gives, a list of things to do. And the first one in his list was wake up. He was already awake. So the first one he cut. That means he crossed. Second one was having breakfast. After the breakfast, he crossed the second one also. The third one was getting dressed. After getting dressed, he crossed the third one also. And the fourth one was going to the house of the frog. And by reaching the house of frog, he crossed that also. Next one in his list was going for a walk with the frog. He started going for a walk with the frog and he cut or crossed that also. Suddenly, a wind came and the list was blown away. So he was very sad because he lost his list. So he cannot do anything else on that day because he will do only what he has written in the list. So the frog at first was very happy when the toad said him that he made a list. Now the frog said, it is getting dark. We have to go to sleep. Suddenly toad was very happy because in his list he has written at last go to sleep. He remembered it very suddenly. So he was happy. And you know what he did? He wrote go to sleep on the ground and he crossed it. After that, along with the frog, toad and frog slept. They sleep in a peaceful way after crossing that also. So toad was very happy when he remembered the last thing which he had written in the list. So from this story, we come to know about the personal characteristic features of the toad. So in our life also, if we make a list every day, we will be definitely doing it accordingly. As children, you also should have such a habit. That means each and every day we have to make useful and fruitful. So making a list will definitely help us to do things in a systematic way. You understood? Now we will move on to the details of the lesson. Okay. Children, if you have the textbook, please take your textbook and come to the second lesson. I'll read the textbook for you. Toad sat up in the bed and made a list of what he needs to do. He made the list so that he can remember easily. Toad wrote the heading first, a list of things to do today. He wrote wake up and then crossed out wake up. Then he wrote many things. So, Toad at first sat up in the bed and thought of making a list. He made the list so that everything can be remembered. And he wrote at first the heading. That was a list of things to do today. And in the list of things, he had written wake up, but he had already woken up, so it was crossed. Then he started writing so many other things. He got out of bed and had breakfast, so he crossed eat breakfast. Todd got dressed, so he crossed get dressed. Todd put the list in his pocket and went to Frog's door. When he reached the frog's home, he crossed go to frog's home. In the first picture, you can see the frog sitting out of bed and had breakfast. So he crossed eat breakfast. Then in the second picture, you can see the frog dressed already and he crossed get dressed from the list. And in the third picture, you can see he started going to the frog's home, and after that he crossed go to frog's home also from his list. When Frog opened the door, Toad and Frog started talking. Toad, look at my list of things to do. Frog, that's nice. Toad, my list says we have to go out. Frog and Toad went on a long walk. Todd looked the list from his pocket and crossed take a walk with Frog. So there came wind and the list blew away so high. Todd, help! He started crying. What will I do without my list of things to do? Frog ran to catch the list, but he couldn't. Todd didn't run to catch as catching list was not in his list of things to do. So here you can see from the first picture, the frog opened the door when Todd reached there. And Todd and Frog started talking, and Todd asked the frog to just have a look into the list of things. And Frog was very happy when he saw Todd's list. And Todd said, my list says we have to go out. So Frog and Todd started going out. Then Todd crossed take a walk with Frog because he started already walking with Frog. Then suddenly a wind came and the list blew away so high. The Todd was really confused. Without list, what will he do? He was not remembering the next thing which he has already written in the list. So Frog ran to catch the list, but he couldn't. So Todd also was trying to run, but he was very sad and he became very confused. Frog came back to Todd. Todd, without my list, I can't do anything. I will just have to sit and do nothing. Frog, Todd, it's getting dark. We should go to sleep. Todd, go to sleep? He shouted and continued. That was the last thing on my list. So Todd wrote on the ground, go to sleep, and crossed it. Go to sleep, and then he said, I have crossed out last thing on my list. Frog, I am glad. Finally, Todd and Frog went to sleep. So, in this picture, you can see Todd and Frog sleeping peacefully. What happened? Frog came back to Todd and he said, without my list, I can't do anything. That means he had already forgot everything which he has written in the list. So, Frog said, anyway, now it's getting dark. We should go to sleep. Suddenly, Todd was very happy and he remembered that the last thing which he had written in the list was we should go to sleep. So he wrote on the ground, go to sleep, and then crossed it. After that, he along with the frog slept very peacefully and was very happily. They were very happy also. Now children, you can look into the exercise. Tick the correct answer. When the story begins, the Todd is in his bedroom, the bathroom, Frog's house. First one is the correct answer. Second one, Todd decided to make a list because he had many things to do, liked making lists, forgot things without a list. Had many things to do. That is the correct answer. The first thing written in Todd's list was wake up, get out of bed, get dressed. Wake up is the correct answer. How did Todd lose his list? He misplaced it. A sudden gust of wind blew the list away. He threw it away. The second one, that is a sudden gust of wind blew the list away, is the correct answer. Please put the correct tick marks in the boxes given in your textbook. Next, write true or false. You have to write true or false to the sentences which are given here. First one, Todd's list was about the things he had to do. It is true. Todd ran behind his list to catch it. It is false. Actually, the frog ran behind the list, not the Todd. Todd did not get his list back as frog could not catch it. It's also true. Todd and frog were good friends. It was true. Now, another exercise. Replace the first letter of the words given below to make new words. First word is Todd. Next, you can write L so that it will become Lord. Then another one, road. Then the next one, tail, rail, mail, wake, cake, bake, rain, pain, vain, wind, kind, mind. You can make another words also. If you know certain other words, you can make. No problem. Now arrange the given words in the alphabetic order. The first set, Todd, frog, wake and sleep. The first alphabet is different and you have to write the alphabetic order correctly by checking it. The second section, the first two alphabets are the same. So you have to check the third alphabet and write it accordingly. And in the third section, it is the first alphabet as same and you have to check the second alphabet and arrange it in the alphabetic order. And in the fourth one, the first three alphabets are same. And you have to check the fourth alphabet and write it and arrange it in the alphabetic order. Questions and answers are given in your textbook. Answers are not given, questions are given. I have written the answers. I will read it for you. What did Todd do after eating breakfast? Todd got dressed and crossed out got dressed from the list. Then he put the list in his pocket and went out. Second question. What did Todd feel about the list flying away? Why couldn't he chase his list? Todd felt that without the list, he can't do anything. Todd could not chase the list because chasing list was not in his list of things to do. Without my list, I can't do anything. I will just have to sit here and do nothing. Who says this and why? Todd says this. He says so because without list, he can't move on. Fourth question. What was the last thing on Todd's list? How did Todd finally remember it? Go to sleep was the last thing on Todd's list. Todd remembered it when it was getting dark. Children, all of you please write all these notes in your notebook and read the textbooks 2 or 3 times and study all these, and again we will see in the next class. Thank you.